Have you ever tossed a ball in the air and watched it fall back down? This is gravity at work. It's the force that pulls everything towards the center of the Earth. From the largest planets to the tiniest atoms, nothing escapes gravity's grasp. It keeps us grounded, literally. But what if we could defy this fundamental force? What if we could make objects, even as small as atoms and molecules, float in mid-air? Seems like something out of a science fiction movie, doesn't it? Well, it's not as far-fetched as you might think. Scientists have developed incredible techniques to counteract gravity's pull, allowing them to suspend tiny particles in the air. These techniques harness the power of magnetism, sound waves, and even light itself. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of levitation and explore how these groundbreaking technologies are defying gravity and shaping the future. One way to overcome gravity is by using magnets. We've all played with magnets as kids, marveling at their invisible force. This same force can be harnessed to make objects levitate. Magnetic levitation, or maglev, is based on the principle that like poles of magnets repel each other. By creating strong magnetic fields, we can levitate objects, even heavy trains. At the atomic level, things get a bit more complex. Atoms have tiny magnetic properties, and scientists can manipulate these properties to trap them in magnetic fields. This technique is crucial for studying atoms and their behavior in detail. Imagine a world where transportation relies on levitating vehicles, zipping through the air with incredible speed and efficiency. That's the promise of maglev technology. Believe it or not, sound is more than just something we hear. It's a form of energy that travels in waves. And these waves can be surprisingly powerful. Acoustic levitation uses sound waves to suspend objects in mid-air. By carefully controlling the frequency and intensity of sound waves, scientists can create pressure zones that trap particles, even liquids, defying gravity's pull. This technology has already found applications in various fields. In medicine, it's used to handle delicate samples without physical contact, preventing contamination. In manufacturing, acoustic levitation allows for the assembly of tiny, intricate components. The future of acoustic levitation is brimming with possibilities, from contactless manipulation of hazardous materials to the development of futuristic displays and interfaces. Light, the source of all life on Earth, also holds the key to defying gravity. Optical levitation uses highly focused laser beams to trap and manipulate microscopic particles. These laser beams act like tiny tweezers, holding particles in place with the force of light itself. By adjusting the intensity and direction of the laser beams, scientists can move these particles with incredible precision. Optical levitation has revolutionized fields like physics and biology, enabling researchers to study individual molecules and their interactions with unprecedented detail. It's like having a microscopic tractor beam. As our understanding of light and its properties grows, so too will the potential of optical levitation. From quantum computing to advanced microscopy, the possibilities are truly limitless. Section 5. A New Age of Levitation. Advancements and Applications. The field of levitation technology is rapidly evolving, with scientists constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From manipulating single atoms to levitating larger objects, the advancements are truly remarkable. One promising area of research is the development of superconducting materials that can levitate at much higher temperatures. This breakthrough could pave the way for more efficient maglev systems and other exciting applications. Another exciting development is the use of levitation in space exploration. In the microgravity environment of space, even small forces can have a significant impact. Levitation technologies could be used to manipulate objects, assemble structures, and even control spacecraft. As we continue to explore the possibilities of levitation, we unlock new frontiers in science, technology, and beyond. Section 6. The promise of contactless control. Revolutionizing industries. The ability to manipulate objects without physical contact has far-reaching implications for various industries. Levitation technologies offer a unique set of advantages, including increased precision, reduced contamination, and enhanced control. In manufacturing, contactless manipulation allows for the assembly of delicate and intricate components, such as microchips and sensors. This level of precision is crucial for developing next-generation electronics and other advanced technologies. In the pharmaceutical industry, levitation techniques enable the handling of sensitive biological samples without the risk of contamination. This is particularly important for drug discovery and development, where even the slightest impurities can have significant consequences. The future of manufacturing and other industries lies in embracing these contactless technologies, leading to greater efficiency, improved safety, and groundbreaking innovations. Section 7. Overcoming challenges. The quest for stability and precision. While the potential of levitation technologies is undeniable, several challenges remain to be addressed before these technologies can be fully realized. One of the main challenges is maintaining stability. Levitating objects are inherently unstable and susceptible to external disturbances, such as air currents and vibrations. Scientists are constantly working on developing more robust and stable levitation systems. Another challenge is achieving greater precision. For many applications, such as manipulating individual atoms or assembling microscopic components, extreme precision is crucial. Researchers are exploring new techniques and materials to enhance the accuracy and control of levitation technologies. Overcoming these challenges is essential for unlocking the full potential of levitation and ushering in a new era of innovation. Section 8. Ethical considerations. Balancing innovation with responsibility. As with any transformative technology, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications of levitation. While these technologies offer tremendous benefits, it's important to ensure that they are developed and used responsibly. One concern is the potential for misuse. Like any powerful tool, levitation technologies could be used for malicious purposes, such as creating autonomous weapons or developing invasive surveillance systems. Another consideration is the environmental impact. Some levitation techniques, such as maglev systems, require significant energy consumption. It's essential to develop sustainable and eco-friendly levitation technologies to minimize their environmental footprint. By carefully considering the ethical implications, we can ensure that levitation technologies are used for the betterment of humanity and the planet. Section 9. A future unbound. Imagining the possibilities. The ability to defy gravity has captivated the human imagination for centuries. Advancements in levitation technologies are making fantasy a reality. Imagine transportation revolutionized by levitating vehicles. Picture cities with buildings supported by invisible forces. The future of levitation is limited only by our imagination.